Hi guys, I'm making the whole chicken soup, but I take off some of the skin, a whole pot, and make it tender so it fall off from the bone. And then I'm going to put all the vegetable. I'm using my hand. This is all carrots. I cut it small pieces just because I wanted to make it cook well done, so it's easy for grandma to digest her food in her stomach, because she can only eat the soft food, guys. So this is celery. Well done. And I have turnips, roots, turnip. So my chicken is not done yet, but I'm putting all the vegetables, so the vegetable will be like so done, wilted, so that way it's easier. This one I can just eat this one, but I'll put that later. So I just put salt in it, sea salt, and that's it. Nothing else to do. I put onions, by the way, onions and garlic, the whole onion and the whole garlic and bay leaves. But of course, I'm going to take out the bay leaves when it's ready to eat. I'm gonna strain some of them, so grandma just eat the liquid and put a little, maybe some rice. I'm not sure. Sometimes she doesn't want to. Anyway, also guys, I have cauliflower. I'm putting everything in there to make it wilted, to make it very soft. I splash myself with hot soup. I'm dangerous when I'm cooking. There you go. Look guys, I burned myself, so I put the mustard, yellow mustard in there from the soup. It splashes. This is what I do. All done. Now my vegetables are very soft, and the chicken also soft. The bone is really peeling off from the bone. The chicken. Ito na guys, I separated the soup that I made, and it's still hot, so it's easy for grandma to heat it up in the microwave. This is one serving, and its container is one serving. I didn't want to make it too full because it might overflow on the bowl, so there you it's easy for her to do that.